Hello, everybody. Okay, so I promised you that we're going to do an inner voice scan demonstration with you. I've got my son here with me, and he is going to help us. Now, I apologize for being a little late, but I'm going to show you the inner voice scan demo. So this is the AO scan device. You guys may have seen this technology before. I've shared with you off and on over the last year about this. It's the newest wellness tool that we have for our own family and that we use for our clients. And I'm going to show you, you can see, think of all of these different programs here. You see all of these different programs. InnerVoice, Easy Scan, InnerVoice, Vitals, Body Systems, Comprehensive, Cephi, all of these Quick Scan, all of these, think of these as like wellness rooms that you can check out and be able to utilize for your body. Today, for the purposes of today, we're going to demonstrate to you this inner voice scan here. Now, this is normally a program that I offer my clients for $55. But I am going to show you how you can access a free demo scan for yourself at the end, and then also include you in our 21-day inner voice challenge that will be starting each Monday. So what I'm going to show you here is we've got Micah's name already pulled up here. Now, you can do an inner voice scan in person or remotely. I'm going to demonstrate to you how we're going to do a remote inner voice scan. If we do an in person, our bone conductors here, but we're going to do a remote scan, so we're going to show how that works here. So what Mike is going to do is, what this is going to do is it's going to record, we're going to record 10 seconds of his voice. And as you know, as many of you know, our voices hold our emotions, and through our tone, inflection, our harmonics, all of those hold emotions. It's really hard to hide those, even if we're really good at it. So what I'm going to have him do is on the Telegram app, I'm going to actually have him hit the voice record button. If you haven't seen that on there, it's the bottom. It's the little microphone looking button, and you can hold it down. And he's going to hold it down. He's going to say his name. That's the most important part of the voice recording, right, Micah? So he's going to say his name, and then he's going to talk for about 10 seconds. And that's all that's needed. What can you do when you talk?
You can recite the ABCs. You can say, I'm gonna hit somebody on the face in 5 minutes. You can tell everybody what's happened today. You can, well, I don't know, you can say you're entering the Olympics.
Yeah, you can say whatever you want. The most important part is to
saying your name.
State your name. Yes. So we're going to do that, and it's going to record over 2,000 different frequencies. It's going to analyze those frequencies, see what is out of balance, and then send balancing harmonics back to him. So, okay. So you're going to hit record, Micah, and you're going to do that. So go ahead and do that, Micah. Yep. You got to hold it down. Here. Sometimes you have to kind of hold it just the right way.
Hi, my name is Micah Miller. I'm 10 years old, and it is 8:31, and right now I'm recording to do a demonstration of the AO Easy Scan.
Awesome. It's simple as that. And for a remote scan, once you've done that here on the device, it can actually be sent to me, or it can be private message to me. And then I can take the AO scan device and, and I just open up the Inner Voice Wellness Room here. And you can see here I have a couple of options. You see there's a microphone plus a heart, and then there's a microphone. So we're going to use the microphone button today, which means that we're doing a remote scan. If we use the microphone and the heart, that meant that we were using the bone conduction device in person, and that would also scan vitals. So a little bit would actually relate how your blood biology is interacting and impacting your emotions and vice versa. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit the microphone button, and then I'm basically just going to connect the two of these devices so that the AOScan device can record what Micah's voice just said. So Micah, if you'll hold that, and then you're going to push play. When I push, I'm going to push the microphone button. It's going to count us down. Okay. And kind of hold it up so everybody can see here. Okay. Okay. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Micah Miller. I'm 10 years old, and it is.
Oh, we're going to try that again. We accidentally had his voice in double speed. We don't want that in double speed. He sounds like Mickey Mouse, right? Okay. Let me make sure that.
Hi, my name is Micah.
Okay, so we'll start it again. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, ready? This is live. Okay. Okay, here we go. So we're going to push this, and it's going to count down 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Micah Miller. I'm 10 years old, and it is 8:31, and right now I'm recording to do a demonstration of the AOEZ scan.
Okay, so now it is finished for Micah, and you'll see here there it shows the top 3 outlying frequencies that showed up in his voice, as well as the bottom. And then it's going to tell us what supportive frequencies are going to be for those imbalances. And so I'm going to click on the report. And this 4-page report is actually what gets emailed to you. The really nice thing about this device, one of the most special things I think about it, is the privacy factor. So once the report gets emailed directly back to you or directly back to Micah, I actually no longer have access to that on this device. It's not stored on a cloud. It's not the anonymous data is collected, but there is no anything stored on the device or in a cloud anywhere. So once that's emailed, now unless you want that emailed to me as well, then I have access, but otherwise I no longer have access to it. So up here at the top is where I email the report, and you'll see here, I'm going to scroll down. You can see this tells a little bit about what the InnerVoice program is and does. And then you scroll down a little bit further, and you'll see here it talks about the top 3 frequencies out of balance. So the top one out of balance was G, and the supportive frequency for that is C sharp. And then it tells a little bit about some positive and negative emotions related to that and some of the imbalance there. You can actually even add in some chromotherapy to this. You can see here red orange is recommended for that particular one. So you can actually add in chromotherapy to enhance this process. But what comes is, now you can hear this just kind of out loud here, but when you click on balancing the harmonic, it will start playing. I'll turn up the volume here so you can hear it. It'll start playing the different music, and you get 4 audio files with the InnerVoice.
And the frequency is kind of in the background. If you listen really closely, you can hear like a. It's
now
really
listen. I'm going to turn it up so you can hear. So you can see the C sharp music is being played. Now you're mostly going to hear music, but underlying the music are frequencies that are being generated to bring balance to those imbalances or your nervous system dysregulation. Now, it's ideal that you listen to these balancing harmonics with
headphones.
Why is that, Micah?
Because it plays certain things in different ears to kind of like put it in different parts of the brain. And so if you just listen to it straight, then you're getting both things in both ears, and it can kind of be wonky.
Right. So you can listen to this straight from your tablet, your computer, your email application, wherever you like to normally listen to music, but you want to listen to them with headphones. And I personally usually recommend listening to the balancing harmonics either when it's quiet morning time or before bed, or when you're sensing a stressful moment. Maybe if you've just come out of a rough meeting or you've had an argument with someone, it's a really great time to listen to those balancing harmonics. And I like to habit stack with these things. So I also like to add on different tools and things that I'll be sharing with you all in the 21-day Inner Voice Challenge. But if you'd like to experience this, a demonstration of this for free for yourself, reach out to me. I'm going to put a link below where you can schedule a demonstration. And if you think you're ready to go ahead and jump in this 21 days Inner Voice Challenge, what we're offering is 21 days of these balancing harmonics specific to bring more harmony to your life. And so Monday through Friday, you'll send a quick recording just like that, just like Micah did via Telegram. I'll receive that. I'll email your report to you, and you'll have those every single day. So, so I'll send you a link for a free demonstration, as well as a link directly to our challenge. And let me know your questions. Yes? Okay. Great to see you guys. Bye. Have a great day.